Wasomi wancho muligirire aseri tuko orietichi kabere karibu sana ikiunga chinsa ni sano na ibere Italiane Matilda Ovaiwa karibu sana tunyare gukomanya gose tunyare gusanga naye sinchira ire ya bene nchira yobwasi ukuke makoro ase binyoroime abwigo korwa ase serikali nene na korwa ase bimanyirio turachikubwaterana nere nyabuke bene karibu sana na kirongo chaka ekionga korwa chinsemo chabo machoge ekaunti ya Kisii mobere bomusacha oyomo w'imyaka ya igatwa nigo bono onyara gutuka asensemo yepara ya mugonga kogenda nyabisia nigo bono abobisa bokoro butuki kurase kyombe gya DCI bakubwaterana n'abali aba provincial administration banyara wikerana ase chinsemo echo ase bono barireira yocha kone kibuno butuki bwanyare gukorekana asinjira engikerano elio komanya ningikerete musacho yogosirio bugima bwae nabwo gutuka parambale bale ase injira enka bune yokorenda bamenyi bechinsemo echo nigo barigie komanya ngo yosireta ro hekera horoboti urura chigo chasinjira engikerano ebiro bustio
Alietangoro gutom yagako ndieki mo chairman yo Chamber of Commerce romambia twari romwe cyane munene somo cy'umugonga omonto tokire kweretwe omutaro inde ramanya manke tokanyete disiao baiche baligereri bamanye monto kyoyo monto ndora mutambwa igondo kanyeta abasigari kuwe section ya disiao baiche barore umwoyo sirerete omutaro
Eamate eamokoro ase kenyoro kia tente ime ye ward ya township ase bunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira nigo bono egenderete gwetera amakongwa mange mono kubwatekana no kurwara kumugaka James Masaki w'imyaka 52 na ene oyo bono iga omenyete ase inyomba gusobereka komenya ase inyomba ase myaka 10 enoyomo ase gwikira bono atanya gosoka isiko konyora nonye no mugaso kurende kiro areko egwa wheelchair nigo boigo ya materia nyare gusabuna nerebia abarai korose chiseme chibanyare gwesokia na kubwatesia enka eyo mwako yonyore obowena na kwa mono gusira enka eyo
uyo rwari tentata obiriga kurwara for 11 years okoboro koririru implant inye hip joint bono twatumire binte binge twatigaire gusa
obairo gutandika se myaka 11 obari rukane oyetire nyagetari terinda nyare goteba ngaye oyetire Nyamira Bosongo oyetire baka wasisionsi baka bona chiteko enda se victoria ti private no abwa bareretwe bono tabwati kogora gosokere cyuma garusibwa
tokwenda chinya kitali chinyinge buna bone twakorete Eldoret St. Luke Orthopedic and Trauma Hospital then ebiri anya kitali nero rire nene ekora mugako yobono iga osinyuru gutara no ari borire kurutuna twagachite yange 7 months tana kurumnyomba asoke gocha sumugaso tukaru 3 weeks ago nyakitari tana korra mugaso tana guska
tugakwane so moisimigwo yo minto pilimoni murara piemi kaki tu otoire gurikia tu akire ngambu ya mono na ende bu ya mono etari kwaera
bono tukaliginga Nyasaye ngo tukonya ari turigie wheelchair egere musoki kuri nyumba emorete isiko then tuka reach out ya Filemon Apiemi bagatuigwa bagacha n'abanyigitari babo baka ligererio murwaire bakateba ni bwenereta wheelchair. Then I'm surprised, I'm so happy this morning twanyorire wheelchair bono mugaka nabagocha kurusi gunyumba are tusiko anyore umugaso bono igantu bwate oburemeru bwebiri ya nyagitari ira around $500,000 chiarenge 685 tugaka ni chinde bono igantu bwate shortage ya 500 tugenderete gwakana
kaki twaremirwe chibesa chiarenga batumikire nyagitari chiarire batarenge korora baminto buno yonde Stephen Mugaka yabo yonde Nyaribo tiuki kaki bacha kaki batororere yabo yonde Cherusa Mumanyi na barukende igagaki nintu gaki mbago tosira gaki
bono we are appealing anyone who ratwaro moyo bugwanja atokonye namba yesim ere 0702 310 235 riete koleta Damaris Mas
na gutigana nayo kora serikali nene umukonyi bumurai wiki amagia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i ritikoria rero niganyara gusanga nigati ya barai na boigo ba kurwanira ebirogo au anu munasumuchie o Nairobi asicha visiti nene chikiamekyo gya Jubilee na chinga kecho Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo agendereko singerera eira yae muna nare tayari gukora emirimo asate bire nigo airuse nene tiogose airusiti ase AVC ya World Bank asare gukora emirimo ile gucha kwaneke buna onyare kotegerera ebirero bya Bakenya sate bire tari guchigokora gosori ekero aligetie kiroge kyo kyobura ebwese.
Niliwacha kazi yangu World Bank kuja kutafuta kura. Na si kuja kutafuta kura hapa kucheza hivi. Vile mimi mnajua mimi sifanyangi kazi nusu na ushenzi namna hiyo. I believe in doing things properly. So, I am here. I'm available. Mimi niko hapa nataka tufanye maneno. Nawaambia wale mko kwa kijiji, wale mko mahali mko mnataka kupanga. This campaign is going to be ward based. We will drive this campaign at the ward level. We'll move house to house. It's going to be a ward based campaign. Na wale ambao wanapenda kuniambia eti huu ni mtu elitist, sijui nani hajafanya siasa, tutakutana kwa kijiji, tutafute kura, tuongee na wananchi, tutaonana huko. Msema kweli ni mwananchi na tutaenda pale tuzungumze na wananchi. Na kuna viongozi wengine wengi ambao wamezungumza na mimi wa Jubilee wanataka kuja. Hata kuna wengine wanakaa kama Nicodemus, wananiona usiku za wengine. Wanasema wanangoja August. Sijui ni kitu gani itafanyika August. Wanasema wanangoja August. Kati wa ile impeachment na maneno mengine itabadilika, wakuje tuende tutembee safari. We will, as Donald Trump says, we will win these seats in the wards, even in Nairobi and across the country. We will win and even get tired of winning. Tutashinda. I'm telling you. Kiona mood ya country vile iko na mazungumzo yale tuko nayo na watu, sisi hatupendagi kuingia watu kupiga. Sisi tunasema tukutane mahali kazi iko. Baadaye majibu itajisemea yenyewe. Ama namna gani? That is the way to go.
Na chinga kecho nigo bono umurikia monene bwikia mwekyo umosike olekenta nera bono anyare gukwanira abarai bali barachikurigia ebirogo kusama baga au gwetira sekiama gya Jubilee na sate biru na kiro murai gwike anyare gwikira abakenya usaba menye fetinsemo na boigo gusanga na brabo na natebire nigo obwasio kubura chikonekiwa ase bali barachikwewa chitikete gwetira ekiama gya Jubilee.
Hii serikali kweli imetengeneza biashara ama imeimaliza? Mnataka serikali ambayo itatengeneza biashara yetu, ambayo itatengeneza elimu, ambayo itatengeneza afya, ama mnataka ile ambayo inabomoa? Nyinyi tu ndio mtaamua Nairobi. Hakuna mtu atapewa certificate bila kuchaguliwa na wananchi. Kama ilifanyika 2022, kama unafikiria utategemea hiyo, hakuna. Tunataka wananchi wajichagulie viongozi wenyewe. Rais ndio huyu. Na anawaambia mimi nimetoka Narok. Jamii ya Maa wanasema ni Matiang'i peke yake. Hakuna mwingine. Sababu tunataka kiongozi ambaye ataleta mtu ambaye atapea kila Mkenya haki. Mtu onletee pia viongozi ambao watasimama, msiweke mtu parliament kule. Tunataka mtu ambaye ataenda huko na sungumuze, sio kunyamaza na kwenda kuchukua mshahara mwisho wa mwezi.
Na korwa se wizara y'uburimi gikorawa nere omwaziri Mutahi Kagwe nigo bono oburimi bwemesi bwanyare kumurikirwa ana muno sigikaro kigenderete ritukuria rero gyo kurigireria muna MSC meyensi ya Kenya iranyare kureta obuya ana muno ase abakenya chinga kicho nigo omosike Mutahi Kagwe anyara kwera muna oitira ase serikali kubikumukia gusira abarimi bemesi nabo igo kurigireria oboene bwa abarimi nigo korachikoreta obuya ane muno ase okomenta esukari nabo igo gukinia ligori ria abaremi gose ligori riria abaremi bakonyorera eng'eri yabo ekero ase ekero
of management of sugar. We have chosen to lease those government owned factories to the private sector, and we have seen immediate benefits in the last 12 months only. We have seen the private sector change the plight of our farmers to beneficiaries and people who are liquid and can therefore participate in the larger economy that we run in our nation. We have also focused completely on the farmer. The farmer is the most important person in the sugar sector. And I say this without any fear of contradiction. These are the people that the governor was alluding to. These are the people who wake up in the morning. From the farmer, we have got the sugarcane cutters, people who are very efficient workers who cut sugarcane, and sometimes there are snakes in those places as well. I know that it is the same in your countries as well. But they are sugarcane cutters, whether mechanized or not mechanized. We know that there are workers who are in those sugar sectors. But there is a tendency for us globally, as a global community, to focus so much on the sweetness of sugar, on the trade of sugar, on how sugar, the commodity of sugar, that we forget that without those people, if we do not, as a global community, if we do not address the plight of the farmer, the plight of the sugarcane cutters and other sugarcane workers, if we do not focus and think about those people, then our industry can be threatened, not from outside, but from within.
Na chinga kicho nigo mokonyi bo murai wense ya Kenya umoske kidore kindiki bono anyara kwene kibuna serikali nigo ya imokire bitambukiro byengencho eri kwene kibuna ya nyarire gukinia bigwanda bimesi gosebye gosio sukari aiga asense ya Kenya asengana atebire buna serikali nigo ya nyara gukondisia ebigwanda byo gucia ase chinsemo gose gucia ase company cia banyene abo bara abonchorira abanene baragere ebigwanda byo bono bigendere gukina sebatebire asemeti nyi 12 ya etire nigo serikali ya nyarekoba ekonyora obuya kurwa ase ogosia esukari gosemesi.
In this administration of William Ruto, President of Kenya, made a deliberate choice to transform this subsector in several ways. One, restructuring the sugar board to make it leaner, more transparent and more effective. Two, engaging with millers on clear performance standards. Three, bringing in the private sector to provide to run our sugar mills, as the Minister for Agriculture of the Republic of Kenya has just said. We have also, in this administration, initiated the revival of state-owned factories through leasing these factories to the private sector, which has attracted quite some serious private investments. We have worked to bring discipline and predictability to sugarcane pricing so that farmers can plan and invest in their farms with greater certainty. I am proud to report to you, delegates, that these efforts are beginning to bear fruit. Farmers are gradually gaining confidence in sugarcane farming. Investment interest is growing from our private sector. Output is improving. The planted acreage is increasing. And our national production is steadily on an upward trajectory.
Wancho murigire hono to kolere kionga chinsa isano na ibere chabono mwaso kolende to mirane gikoraga chinsa ikomichara morogoba irinde tugendere ko yarigireria ayo na yanda mwange asinjira eri ya bene kigema cross bimanyerio nyaboke ven chenguru kwa Matilda Obaigo Eugene Korase studio ya kabere endera gusanga na Getembe TV kubwa mono murobelio gosoa asembeo of vibes on vibes.